Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Eva Evelyn. I'm back again with another video on foot care. So guys, I want to appreciate the 500 subscribers who have subscribed to my YouTube. Thank you so much, and if you have not, please make sure that you subscribe. So today I'm doing a foot soak, that is a tea foot soak. That is what I'm doing. So in the white basin I have very hot water, actually boiled water. Then the blackish thing is tea. I didn't have tea bags, so I'm using the tea that I have. So then I leave it for some few minutes just for it to brew. Like you can see on the side, that is where I've just put it. And now then I have to clean my legs. So now this is the point whereby I have to remove dead skin and just ensure that my heel is not cracking, because the dead skin leads to the cracking of the heel. So please, if you have cracked heels, dry feet or dry heels, please make sure that you scrub them. You can use a pedicure, pedicure file. You can use a pumice stone or anything that you can be able to use to just remove the dead skin. It's up to you. So I'm using a stone in my case. That is what I'm using. So if you want the dead skin to really come out very fast, you can just soak the legs for some few minutes. But if you don't have a lot of dead skin, like you normally scrub your legs like kind of daily, you can do this. So the reason why I'm washing my legs before soaking them is because I want the soak of the tea to really sit well on the legs, and just to find my legs being clean and soft, and therefore the tanning in the tea will really helps in doing the work. Now I'm going to clean even the upper part, so just enjoy. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because good things are happening here. I also want to appreciate those who have subscribed. Now this is my tea. It has really brewed, like you can even drink it, but this time it's not for drinking. So that is how it looks like. It's blackish and all that. So I'm just going to sieve all these. So I'm going to use a sieve to sieve and just to get rid of the blackish thing, because I just need the water for the soaking. Now this kind of a soak, it has several benefits. So after sieving and putting, I'm adding some cold water, plain water, so that it's not so hot that it can burn my legs. Then after that, I'm dipping my legs for like 10 to 15 minutes. Now the importance of this kind of a soak is that tea has tannin, and it helps in getting rid of smelly feet, and it also prevents the sweating of the feet. And at the same time, people who are fighting minor fungal infection, it also helps in that. So please, if you are fighting a fungal infection, and especially in between your toes, you can always soak your legs using these for like twice a week or even 3 times a week, if you can be able to do that. But before soaking, please always ensure that your legs are clean. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section, have you ever tried this kind of a soak? Would you try? And by the way guys, it's so relaxing and it feels good just to be putting your legs in this water. Like you can see, my legs are all smiley, like my feet are all smiley. I don't know whether legs or feet, I don't know. Yeah, but they are all smiley. So I'm just trying to extend the glaze to the upper part of the leg and all that. So this kind of a soak will also kind of tint your legs, but with time it falls off, or it washes off. So don't mind if you feel like your legs have tinted and all that. So guys, the next time you feel that when you wear your shoes that your feet are really sweaty, or you are really sweating and all that, and therefore the shoes, your legs become smelly, please try this kind of a soak. I'm sure it is going to help you if you are persistent with it. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share. And please engage with me on the comment section. It really means a lot to me, and I appreciate those people who are always there commenting, yeah, and engaging with me on the comment section. I'm not forgetting my subscribers. Thank you so much. I wish I could hug you, but I really appreciate. Guys, look at my YouTube channel and just check about foot care, check about pedicures, how to take care of your nails, how to apply polish on your nails, all that, anything fit. Please make sure that you try out. So after soaking for 15 minutes, it's time now to dry. And because we are preventing fungal infection, make sure that you dry in between your toes, like Vala drying in between your toes. And then after that, the most awaited part is always to moisturize your feet, because girl, you have to moisturize your skin everywhere, including your feet. Your feet just they need the moisturization more. Remember, they carry you from one place to the other, so please give them some love, the love that they deserve. So thank you so much, guys, for being here. I appreciate, and I hope this foot soak is going to be game changer in your life. So thank you so much. I appreciate. Always, every time you clean your feet, never forget to moisturize them. Okay, yeah, so make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Like, you can't do that. Yeah, I know you're going to subscribe. Thank you so much. Look at my feet, they're looking so good and they feel good at the same time. So I appreciate. Let me know in the comment section if you could try these, and if you have tried, let me know how was the experience. Did you love the experience? Has it helped you to stop the sweating and minor fungal infection? Bye bye.